According to the World Health Organization, the acceptable daily dose of clove oil is 2.5 milligrams per 1 kilogram of body weight. Fortunately, 2 cloves are much less than this. So, see what happens to your body after eating 2 cloves daily, how to use them, and precautions you should take. Cloves are the aromatic flower buds of a tree called Syzygium aromaticum, native to Indonesia. Used worldwide in various cuisines, they are known for their warm, sweet, and slightly bitter flavor. But beyond their culinary uses, cloves have amazing health benefits.
Hi, I am Rob from Explaining Health. Every week I would like to share my medical knowledge.
Here are 5 ways cloves can boost your health. 1. They have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and pain. Cloves are rich in several important compounds, but the one that stands out for its anti-inflammatory properties is eugenol. This aromatic compound makes up about 72 to 90% of the essential oil extracted from cloves and has been widely studied for its potential health benefits. The mechanism behind eugenol's anti-inflammatory effects involves inhibiting the activity of enzymes that promote inflammation. For instance, in the human body, there's an enzyme called cyclooxygenase 2, or COX-2 for short. This enzyme plays a crucial role in the inflammatory process. It's involved in the production of prostaglandins, which are compounds that promote inflammation, pain, and fever. Interestingly, many non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and NSAIDs work by inhibiting COX-2, reducing the production of these inflammatory prostaglandins. Now, what does this have to do with cloves? Eugenol, the main compound in cloves, has been found to inhibit the COX-2 enzyme in a similar way to NSAIDs. That means it can potentially interfere with the production of prostaglandins, thus reducing inflammation.
Are you enjoying so far? Give me the honor to have you as a subscriber.
Eugenol's potential anti-inflammatory effects make it an interesting compound for scientific research, with studies exploring its use in various health conditions characterized by inflammation, from arthritis to asthma. However, it's important to note that most of this research has been done in vitro in a test tube or petri dish or in animals, not humans. 2. They can be used to treat dental issues due to their analgesic and antimicrobial properties. Eugenol also has analgesic or pain-relieving properties. It's this dual effect of reducing inflammation and numbing pain that makes it particularly useful in dentistry. Eugenol is thought to block the pain receptors in our body, similar to how local anesthetics work. When you apply clove oil to a painful tooth or gum, the eugenol can inhibit the nerve receptors in that area, helping to reduce pain sensation. Moreover, the antibacterial properties of eugenol can help prevent infection, further supporting oral health. It's been found to be effective against several common types of bacteria that can cause dental issues, including Streptococcus mutans, the main bacteria involved in tooth decay. It's not surprising then that eugenol has been used in dentistry for over a century. It's a common ingredient in dental materials and medications and can often be found in products used to fill cavities and numb oral tissues. However, while eugenol can be a powerful tool in managing dental pain, it's not a cure-all. If you're experiencing dental issues, it's important to see a dentist to get to the root of the problem and avoid potential complications. 3. They are rich in antioxidants, which protect your body from oxidative stress. Cloves are incredibly rich in antioxidants, substances that help protect our bodies from damage by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells in a process called oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative stress can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. But what makes cloves stand out in the antioxidant arena? The star antioxidant in cloves is eugenol. It neutralizes free radicals, preventing them from causing cellular damage. They also contain vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that helps boost the immune system and protect the body from disease. In addition, cloves contain flavonoids, a type of plant compound known for their strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. One thing that's quite impressive about cloves is their high concentration of antioxidants compared to other spices. The antioxidant capacity of cloves is notably higher than other common spices like cinnamon or oregano, making them an excellent choice for boosting your antioxidant intake. But what does this mean for your health? Incorporating foods rich in antioxidants, like cloves, into your diet can have several potential health benefits. These include reducing inflammation, protecting against chronic diseases, boosting your immune system, and even improving skin health.
If this information is helpful for you, leave a thumbs up.
4. Their antimicrobial properties help fight against infections. Eugenol has been studied for its ability to kill or inhibit the growth of various types of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. It works by damaging the cell membrane of these microorganisms, thus inhibiting their growth or killing them outright. In addition to eugenol, cloves also contain other bioactive compounds like flavonoids, tannins, and other phenolic compounds that exhibit antimicrobial properties. 5. They've been used to treat respiratory problems. Eugenol, as we've discussed before, has potent anti-inflammatory properties, and this extends to the respiratory system. Inflammation is often a primary issue in respiratory problems. For instance, conditions like asthma or bronchitis involve inflammation of airways, leading to coughing, difficulty breathing, and other symptoms. By reducing this inflammation, eugenol may help soothe the respiratory tract and these symptoms. In fact, some animal studies have suggested that eugenol might have bronchodilatory effects, meaning it can help relax and widen the airways, making breathing easier. Cloves also have expectorant properties. This means they can help loosen and expel phlegm from the lungs, which is particularly helpful in conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or common colds. Moreover, we can't overlook the antimicrobial properties of cloves. Respiratory infections caused by bacteria or viruses can lead to conditions like pneumonia or bronchitis. The antimicrobial components in cloves can potentially help the body fight off these infectious agents. However, it's important to note that while cloves can be a useful aid in managing respiratory conditions, they shouldn't replace medical treatment. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate cloves into your diet. 1. They can be used in cooking and baking thin curries, marinades, spice cakes, cookies. 2. They are a common addition to beverages like chai tea, mulled wine, and even coffee. 3. Whole cloves are often used in pickling and preserving foods. 4. You can make a soothing tea with cloves. 5. Some natural toothpaste and mouthwash products contain clove oil. Now, we cannot forget that even though cloves are generally safe, there are some precautions. Remember that according to World Health Organization, the acceptable daily dose is 2.5 milligrams per 1 kilogram of body weight. 1. Allergic reactions can occur. 2. They can slow blood clotting, which could be problematic for people with bleeding disorders or undergoing surgery. 3. The safety of medicinal use during pregnancy and breastfeeding isn't well studied. 4. Clove oil can cause severe side effects in children if ingested. 5. Cloves can interact with certain medications. 6. Undiluted clove oil can cause skin irritation or sensitivity. So always consult with a healthcare professional before using cloves or clove oil medicinally, particularly if you have any health conditions or are taking other medications. Now, I strongly recommend you to watch this video about dates fruit, good health,